This is James Page with INCA TV. I'm with Ian Cowser, who's Applications Engineer at Corning. Ian, thanks for talking to us today. Lots of talk around the exhibition and in the conference itself about how the AltNet market has moved from a period of time of securing funding and is now really in a deployment phase. Is that something that Corning's seeing out in the field?
We certainly are. I mean, we'd echo those statements. People are moving away from a more project-based approach for build and moving into that mass deployment phase. And with that comes different challenges, of course. And hopefully, we are able to support those challenges as the AltNets grow and deploy quicker, faster, and hopefully easier and more reliably.
Fantastic. Now, Corning are a well-established big name in this sector. What makes you different? What kind of things are you doing to be able to help those AltNet achieve their goals?
Well, in particular in fibre to the home, we invested a lot in technology and new innovation. So there's a lot of talk, and there's been a lot of talk over the years on pre-connectorization, and it really comes into its own in this mass deployment phase where you're looking to increase productivity, optimize efficiency of your workforce. And as the workforce and the resource becomes constrained, this is where these savings and these optimizations really happen. So examples are pre-connectorized drop cables and CBTs, as they're known in the UK, and moving into other types of technology such as normal nodes and splitters that we can pre-connectorize and utilize those efficiencies as we move forward.
For those maybe of the uninitiated, as myself, perhaps tell me a bit more about pre-connectorization. So presumably that's just getting to a stage and you want to talk to AltNets as early as possible so they can take advantage of that.
We do. So essentially we are transferring some of the skills, some of the highly skilled processes that are normally done in the field, and we are transferring them to a clean factory environment, and we supply them ready built. So it's kind of like a prefabbed house in the olden days. So you build as much as you can in the factory, and then it should all fit together, click together, plug and play in the field, which enables you to utilize people who are less craft skilled. Not to say that they're not skilled, but yeah, it means there's no fiber handling. You don't need a trained fiber engineer to deploy, and you can utilize those fiber engineers further back in your network to splice your main cables and to operate and to become more productive in one place, as opposed to spread out, connecting one customer in one street and then having to travel to another street and connect another customer. So you can utilize a more craft-friendly solution when you utilize plug and play with Corning.
Fantastic. No, thank you for that explanation, and fitting straight in with some of the skills shortage issues that I think the industry is still facing. So thank you for that. I hope you're having a successful conference, and appreciate you taking the time to have a little chat.
Thank you very much. Thank you.